Hi investors, Hank Cassie, Premier Plus Realty. They don't call it the Paradise Coast for nothing. Collier County is a gem of Southwest Florida. With its white sand beaches, tropical weather, and resort lifestyle, it's truly a slice of paradise. Naples also boasts some of the highest number of golf courses per capita in the nation. Collier County also has a high concentration of second homeowners, many of the high income brackets. The market has been on the rise in the last couple of years, with an increase of 14% in 2013 and a projected growth of 47% over the next 3 years. The Naples-Marco Island area has also been a favorite vacation destination from couples to families to snowbirds. However, we have seen a big increase in the level of tourism in the past couple of years. Therein lies the seasonal rental opportunity. Let me show you the characteristics of a high-producing seasonal rental and tell you about our two main tourism seasons. There is a potential for investment returns in the 8 to 10% range, or $30,000 to $70,000 per year. However, it will require a local real estate professional to identify the opportunities as they arise. We would be happy to provide you with the detailed data required to analyze the opportunities. To receive the current investment properties firsthand, please contact me at 301-520-1340 or email me at hank@bartosgroup.com. Also, you can follow us on Facebook at Naples Homes and Lifestyle for these updates. Remember, who you work with does matter. Talk to you soon.